Yo, what's up guys? My name's Kasper. I'm an artist living in Melbourne, Australia that mostly paints murals and refurbished skateboards. But today I have a bit of a different project. I've been approached by a friend to paint 4 pot plants. They're really tiny and they're probably the smallest 3-dimensional thing that I've ever painted. But I'm not too scared about weird shapes. I've painted things like pianos and buses and walls and skateboards even have a bit of a strange shape to them. But this is going to be a little bit different because my designs are usually pretty full on, pretty crazy, a lot of color, a lot of line work. So wrapping around these small objects, I don't know whether it's going to be too much or too full on for the shape, but I'm just going to take it as it goes and I guess see what happens. Firstly, welcome to my studio. This place is called Blender Studios. It's a communal art space with about 25 other artists in Melbourne, Australia. It's safe to say it's hard to lack inspiration here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Gotta give them a little clean first before the coat of paint. Here's a good tip to save money on base coating things. Instead of using gesso, go to a hardware store and buy a big tub of acrylic primer. I bought this bucket for about 30 bucks. For these pots, I didn't have a big design or concept in mind. The only thing I knew is that I wanted 4 main colorways: pink, blue, purple, and green. First up, pink. To get a splatter effect with a spray can, hold loosely on the cap and angle away. Last pot plant up, the little tiny one. And that's about it. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. I love quick fun projects like these. Once the plants are in them, they'll look even nicer too. And remember, if you enjoy my work and my videos, please feel free to subscribe. I'm pretty new to this YouTube thing and I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. Goodbye from Blender Studios and I'll see you in the next one.